So one of my favorite memories, I came from working at a radio station for many years, and came over here and started helping launch the Block magazine on the wholesale side, and was having good success with that. Got that going, and then we were growing, constantly and continually, and so I ended up hiring people, helping Melanie and I were doing interviews, and we were doing interviews like crazy, and hiring so many people, so many great people, and well over 100 people, I think. And then, as you grow, you end up doing different jobs. I ended up managing the shops for a while, about over a year, I think, and got to work with so many good people and learned so much. Our customers and things like that. And now, my wife and I travel, we're on the road. We get to go all over, the United States and interact with the customers and just continue to grow and learn, just having a great time.